Welcome to my channel. This is Jessi FIT Pilates, your home to strengthen, stretch, and smile. We are here today with an unboxing and a product review of the Flex discs. Okay, we will do a little bit of a sequence, so you guys are doing this right here with me and opening up the box, and you're going to go through a bunch of exercises with me. First time using this equipment for me. Check these guys out. So I know I've seen the Orbit from Balanced Body, and this is kind of that same principle where there's multiple wheels, so you're going to have to control not just in one plane like a regular slider, but you're going to have to control this in a few different fields. So this is that, look at that went on pretty easy. Oh, it says don't try to pick them up because they can come off, so I'm going to pick them up from the bottom. They're pretty heavy, I will say that. More loops, right? Oh, those are almost like, oh wow. So those are like Pilates loops, right? So if you've been on a reformer, that's going to look real familiar to you. We've got different coated springs. We've got a long one, we've got medium, small. I haven't seen anything like it, really, quite, with all of those accessories. Yeah, that is a lot like a Pilates manufacturer has a very similar turnout. I mean, these guys you can really attach to anything that's attachable. The one thing I have that would be attachable is actually right behind the camera. But what I'm thinking we can do with this, well, you see, that's where it's going to get interesting, my friends. And that's just going to go here for now, because we're going to play around. So multiple different planes that you have to control to keep that straight. So I'm kind of zigzagging around so it shows you where, as I get further out, I'm kind of veering off one way. I'm probably not balancing both sides. And then, I mean, you can really go through a variety of yoga and almost into gyrotonic kind of stuff here, which is something you can't do with the Pilates equipment. Another further, so you can start to rotate to one side and then the other side. And of course this can be done, especially with the foam, on the elbows. You know, and you can hold it out here, reach it out and in. Well, that's challenging. So I'm going to try that on the elbows just so I don't fuck my wrist up. So from here, I'm going to come into a plank. And then I'm going to reach the leg out. And then you can even try to reach the arms out. And from there, you can just lift. And you really got to work into both arms. Lift. 3, 2, 1. Now, right? Well, I mean 360. So reach, open, in. Right, reach and twist. One side, other side. And then it will progress as you start to take that into your plank. And now those circles are quite a bit harder. Right? Slide one away, the other. I mean, it's kind of limitless. And then, you know, your Pilates work, whoa, these are really hard. I'm going to slide off of the mat. I'm pretty sure it said don't put both feet on, you know, the moving thing. I wouldn't do it. Right, heel down is going to be a little easier. Heel up will start to make that more challenging. Right, arms reaching. Not that easy. Right, holding, reaching, holding. And then with the heel up, reach and then in, right? So straight legs. So basically a lot of the reformer moves you'll be able to, you know, really start to mimic and then really even get a little bit deeper because you have this whole 360 thing going on. Right? I mean, you can really get really funky with it. So far I'm loving these. Let's go ahead, switching legs. So there's definitely some fun stuff that you'll be able to execute out here. So stay tuned for more. This is my initial review of my first round of videos with the Flex Disc. Thank you so much, Flex Disc, for sending me these and letting me try them out. If it's your first time here, remember, make sure you subscribe. I upload 2 or 3 workouts a week. I'm all about getting you to get fit, toned, and flexible as you strengthen, stretch, and smile.